Hi, second grade. This is Friday's lesson, and I'm joined by Bella, who's trying to sleep beside me on the couch. And you're going to need your notebook, glue, scissors, and your 2 sheets of paper from your baggie out today. We're going to be talking about our 5 senses. So we can hear, we can smell with our nose, sight, which means to see. We taste things and touch. So those are our 5 senses. So what you're going to be doing with your 2 papers from your baggie is you're going to be cutting them out. So you're going to have some little squares like this. And then you're going to have bigger squares, which are actually going to be rectangle shaped. And those are not going to be cut apart. They are labeled on your paper. So go ahead and now's a good time to pause the video while you cut. And I'll give you some time to do that. Alright, so hopefully you paused the video and you finished cutting out your different squares and your rectangles. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take the one that says 5 senses and you're going to glue that at the top of your notebook at the side. If you glue it in the middle, all of your 5 senses are not going to fit on your notebook page, and you want them all to fit on one page. So make sure you glue it at the side. The rectangles, you're actually going, so for example, the one that has here, you're going to take it and the white part you're going to fold down. So I've already done mine. So for example, this was a rectangle. Remember that I kept together? And all I did was take the white part and I folded this down like this so it would flap up. Okay? And then all I did was put glue on the back of the white. That way when it's in my notebook it still flaps, which is what you want it to do. And like I said, you're going to have to keep your 5 senses to the side to be able to fit all of them in. Okay? So the next step is to just take your little squares and match them up with your senses. I've already done 2 for you. So I've done sight. We know that sight means to see, so I can see with my eyes goes underneath sight. And then I've done smell. I can smell with my nose. That obviously goes underneath smell. So you're going to finish the other 3 senses. And once you're finished, you can kind of hold some of them up like this. Doesn't have to be perfect. And send me a picture. That's part 1 of your assignment. Today you're actually going to have 2 parts. So the second part is I'm going to give you a picture of a scavenger hunt of different things to find. The weather's been really rainy recently, and with the holiday weekend, I believe it's supposed to be nicer outside, so get outside and enjoy some fresh air. So this is part 1 of your assignment. Once it's completed, you can take a picture. Okay, part 2 is to go outside in your backyard and do the scavenger hunt. There's lots of things on your scavenger hunt. I'm only requiring you to do 3 of those. So when you find 3 different things, you can take a picture and send it. So for today's assignment to count, you're going to end up sending me 4 pictures. One's going to be of your notebook, and the other 3 are going to be 3 different things you find on your scavenger hunt. Now, if you want to go out and find everything on your scavenger hunt, that's fine too, but I'm only requiring you to send me 3 things. Okay? And if I remember right, one of them is a flower, and it asks you to find a certain color flower. I'm just going to make it to where if you find a flower, that one will count, okay? It doesn't have to be a certain color. But other than that, check out what's on your scavenger hunt list, and like I said, get outside and enjoy the nice weather, and I will see you on Monday. And next week is actually our last week of school. Can you believe it? All right. Well, I will see you on Monday, and we've got some fun things to learn about next week. All right. Bye.